Hey guys, Patty Bo back again. We talked about footwork stuff, kind of musicality to play with in our feet instead of in our pattern structures. The first thing we did was what we call a stutter step and shag. So this is a shag footwork influence in swing. And how we did that was we took our weight, put it over that left foot, swiveled on it to create a space for the other foot to fall through. And we went and 1 and 2. Again, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So we did 4 weight changes in 2 counts in feet, right? So same thing we did on the right, we did on the left. So we were going to put our weight on that right foot. We're going to swivel on that hip and cross over, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And we put it in application on our right side pass for the followers. We stepped 1, set up for 2, we went and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Cool. For the leads, we did the exact same thing, only using the left foot instead of the right foot. We set up for going 1, 2, we swiveled, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and backed it up for our sugar push. Cool. Then we went ahead and did a different step. And what we did was just kind of let our legs brush back. Brush, kick a back, brush, kick back, brush, kick back, brush, kick back. And again, we applied that in application on our sugar push. We changed the rhythm timing. Instead of going 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, we did it on a 1, 2, 3, kicked out on 4, did 5 and 6. And then we also did an and a 1, right? And how we did that was we allowed the other foot to kind of kick back slightly on a slight diagonal. For the followers, on that sugar push, I went in 1, 2, hooked behind 3, kicked out 4, brushed behind 5 and 6, kicked back 1 and 2, here 3 and 4, finished 5 and 6. Yeah. For the leaders, we did the exact same thing. We took it off to our right side by going 1, 2, step behind for 3, kicked out 4, 5 and 6, kicked back 1 and 2, triple 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Final one we did was what I call a heel slide. We took the inside of that left foot and we actually slid it back just a little bit by pushing off and sliding through. On your sugar push leaders, we did a 1, 2, extend the arm as I slid for 3 and 4, step 5 and 6. Again, 1, 2, extend 3 and 4, go 5 and 6. Followers, we did it on the 5 and 6. We stepped in 1, 2, 3, short, 4, push, 5 and 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, stop, 4, push, 5 and 6. That was your footwork class. We'll see you all next year. Bye guys.